Good morning, Voyagers. We're going to have our morning announcements at this time. Today is the 13th of December, 2018. Our weather today is a high of 36 degrees. The low temperature is actually in the afternoon. About the time you go home, it's going to be 30, and then it's going to get warmer. There is a 90% chance of rain this evening because that temperature is going to go back up. The temperature overnight is actually going to get up to about 39 degrees. We've talked about being safe in the hallway. We've talked about being responsible in the hallway. Now we're going to talk about being respectful in the hallway. That means that we're staying to the right, except unless your teacher tells you otherwise. Respect the artwork and the posters hanging on the walls and lockers. Please make sure that you are always doing that. Staff announcements: book fair is open all day during the school day. And then here's our craziness today. So Miss Geeky's groups will only meet if she comes to get her students. Miss Johnson's groups will not meet. As of right now, there is no PE, no art, or no music. We apologize for that. There's also the possibility of not having technology, but we will see what happens with that as the day goes on. Our lunch today is grilled cheese sandwich, tomato soup, crunchy baby carrots, of course. Tomorrow we're looking at boneless chicken wings, barbecue sauce, sweet and sour sauce, baked beans, goldfish crackers, orange, and of course you got to have those crunchy baby carrots and your choice of milk. Special announcements, just a reminder that Miss Hall's class will have pizza tomorrow for their attendance rate of 98 and 46/100ths. Congratulations to that group. Our quiz question today: as President Woodrow Wilson attempted to start a multinational organization following World War I, what was the name of that organization? Again, that'll be 20 Voyager bucks or Anchor bucks for any student, or the first student that comes up with that answer for each one of the grade levels. Students, if you could please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance at this time. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Those are all of our morning announcements this morning. Please, as always, make sure you're doing things the Voyager way, and go Voyagers!